The majority of members of the minority caucus of the Senate, made up of about 7 political parties, have come up with their leadership. So I will just proceed to announce. Senator Simon Davor Nwakwuom, Minority Leader. Distinguished Senator Oyewumi Olarere, Deputy Minority Leader. Distinguished Senator Darlington Wokocha, Minority Whip. Distinguished Senator Rufai Hanga, Deputy Minority Whip. The leader, can you move them forward to take their seats? The Senate leader is Senator Opeyemi Bamidele. He will be the majority leader of the Senate and the Senate leader. Senator Mohammed Ali Ndume will be the chief whip of the 10th Senate. Senator David Umahi, by your consent, will act as the deputy leader, and Senator Oyorola Isha Ashiru will be the deputy chief whip. Any petitions?